Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here in Costa Maya, Mexico, and today I want to give you a walking tour of the cruise port here in Costa Maya. We'll start out our tour at the pier here where the cruise ships dock, and we'll head right into the port. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, we'll start out our Costa Maya cruise terminal tour right here by the pier. So there's a big map so you know exactly where you're going. Off to the right, the first thing you'll see is this big hut. This is the pre-booked tours hut. So if you have a pre-booked tour, commonly you'll meet up there. Off to the left is the expedition bar, so you can grab drinks as soon as you get off the ship. There'll commonly be music playing here. And to the right, there's typically Mayan dancers here to watch as well as grab photos with. But to enter the port, you need to go through the doors here. And there is an ATM machine here as well as soon as you get off the ship if you do need that. Super handy. But to get into the port area, you need to walk through the duty-free store. So we'll just walk through here, and this will bring us out to the main port area. Now, Costa Maya has lots of shops, and a lot of the typical ones you would see in most ports. For example, Diamonds International, Watch and Design is right off to the right here. And you can see there's lots of palm trees and different things. The Costa Maya official concept store is right away as you come into the port. We'll head off to the left here, and we'll come back to this area in a moment, but this will take us down to one of the pools. I love how there's palm trees everywhere. It creates lots of shade. It can get very hot here, so shade is important. And there's lots of fun little exhibit pieces to look at, like the safari jeep. Looks like something from Jurassic Park. We'll head down here into the sandy area under the palm trees. There's these little cabanas here. Now we're closer to the end of the day, so a lot of it's already been packed up, but beautiful area down here. Great spot for taking photos of the ships as well. All the loungers down here. And one of the pools. And that's the Castaway Pool Bar out there, a swim up bar right in the pool, right on the ocean. How beautiful is that? This area is actually called Chill Out Beach, if you were wondering. Gorgeous down here, sandy beach, straw umbrellas. How relaxing is that? Let's head back out the way we came in. And we'll hang a left here right by that Jeep. So off to the right, as well as the building on the left here, is the Mayan Healing Rituals buildings. And this is a pre-Hispanic rituals and spa is what they're calling it. So if you're wanting to pamper yourself while you're here in Costa Maya, this is the place to come. Massages, all sorts of relaxing stuff. Off to the right here, we've got some vendors, t-shirts, bags, dresses. We'll head back here, right by this big fish. So that's still the Mayan healing ritual off to the left there. And then as we come up here, this is the Playa Coco beverages and beers off to the left. So if you want some beverages, you can go there. And off to the right is the Cantina Latina, the Latin food party. So they've got food over there, drinks for you to have an awesome day here. Now we'll peek around over here. This is the dolphin pool over here. We'll come around to the main area in a moment, but this is kind of the backside if you wanted to have a peek and see if you can see the dolphins from over here. The cruise pier and the pool we already saw over there. Kind of head back here and off to the left. So the Cantina Latina again is off to the right, and then over here is the back side of the family pool. So the main pool here in Costa Maya. Got the swim up bar there. The Cantina Latina, you can see there's lots of seating in there and the big straw roof, so it'll keep you out of the sun. This fun Costa Maya sign with the fish. Great spot for a photo. It reminds me of something out of Finding Nemo. Some more vendors with hats and blankets. You've got the fish spa over here if you want to get your feet nibbled on by some fish. Bags, hammocks, all sorts of fun stuff. Leather goods and hats off to the left here. Some picnic tables, and then you've got Coco's No Hawk, fruits and coconut. Again, off to the right is that Mayan Healing Rituals building. Natural fruit, drinks, and coconuts on the left. And as we walk up here, you'll see this big pole. This is Papantla's flying show. It's traditional artistic flight. And we're kind of back down by Diamonds International where we started. Now, if you hear the flutes start playing, you know the flying show is about to begin, and they do work for tips. Up on the right there is a great photo stop with the replica Mayan kind of ruins there. And off to the left here is Cafe Mexico, so Mexican coffee products. If you like coffee like us, that's a great place to stop. Of course, lots of shops, Caraloa Bamboo, Del Sol, Color Change Store, Ice Carry, so coffees and ice creams there on the left. More shopping, Millennium, different jewelry shops, El Mariachi. There's a cigar store if you want cigars, Seashore, sundresses, La Fruteria, so natural juices and fruits, more jewelry shops, another El Mariachi, Pandora, Mayan House, another map and public restrooms. They've got these nice covers to help keep you out of the sun, and lots of beautiful palm trees. It's gorgeous through here. You can also book some excursions while you're here in the port, so they've got that available. Initial rings, handcrafted. And over here we've got the main pool that we already saw the backside of earlier. The swim up bar. They've got these awesome little sprayers out here. If it's hot, come under here. It was really relaxing. The water wall. Now you may have noticed some of these bridges above us, and there is a kind of bird or aviary exhibit that you can pay to visit that takes you across some of those bridges. The mojito bar off to the left here. Again, I love those straw roofs on the buildings. Restrooms off to the right. And some more shops here. I like how they brought in all this sand, so it feels like you're at a beach even though you're at the pool. Tons of palm trees, really relaxing. More souvenir shops, magnets, Millennium jewelry, handcrafted leather goods, Lalo's Village, shirts, sundresses, bags, Colleen's magnetic jewelry. Another bar over here on the left, Bar del Arbol, beverages and beers. We're kind of entering the aviary area, but there's some more stores that kind of wrap around the outside. Amarino. And then off to the left here is the aviary. And if you're looking to do the Aviaris Air Aviary and Bridge Tour, this is the area you would come to. Over there behind there, but if you're not doing that, you can still come and check out the flamingos, which were a lot of fun to watch. So colorful. There's also a couple of blue and yellow macaws out here for you to enjoy. So if you're still watching, this video is probably giving you some value or you're enjoying it. If you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it's totally free and it helps grow this channel to bring you more content like you're watching right now. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And straight ahead there is the Flavors of Mexico restaurant. So if you're looking for traditional Mexican food, that's where you would go. But we'll head through the tunnel here towards the dolphins. Off to the right is Cacao, so this is cocoa and chocolate bars, that sort of thing. If you're looking to book an excursion, they've got another booth here, as well as another fruteria. And then off to the left here, this is the dolphin discovery area. So if you're doing the dolphin excursion, swimming with the dolphins, this is where it's located. They've got their little booth there where you can buy memorabilia, clothing, that sort of thing. And then there's a viewing area here as well, so you can come out here and watch the dolphins swim by, even if you're not swimming with them. Looks like there's 3 of them out there right now. Continuing along here, we've got the El Faro restaurant. Grilled food in front of the sea is what they say. Lots of tacos and skewers, that sort of thing there. And this kind of loops around here. So again, more shops and retail in this area. There's restrooms and the port exit. So if you're looking for that, taxis, that sort of thing, will be this way. Different shops. There's the restrooms there. I love the bright yellow and kind of cobblestone walkway through here. Here's the Magic Garden. This is a tequila and chocolate experience. So if you're into tequila and chocolate, that's where you should head to. More shops. And then off to the left here as well, we've got La Bandita. This is a tequila and mezcal bar. We've got the Costa Maya Gourmet Nut Company over here, roasted nuts with free samples. And again, they've got these tarps above us, helping us keep cool here because it's hot today. Off to the left was the Corrido Mexico. It's a traditional Mexican market if you want to do some more shopping. And off to the right here is La Tortilleria, which is a traditional Mexican taco restaurant. Come grab some food there. Around the corner to the left, you'll find the El Campanario bar. And then you've got a little stage there for the DJ to pump music out here at the other pool. So this is a family pool as well. You've got the swim and sip bar there, some little islands. This is a beautiful oasis. Lounge chairs, palm trees. Behind us, some more shopping. And there's some hammocks over here as well. How relaxing is that? And if you go through the walkway there on the right, that'll take you to where you can leave the port. So that's where you're gonna find all the taxis and shuttles into town. We've got a drugstore here, another jewelry shop, another big restaurant back here, so grilling and chilling. So if you're wanting to grab some grilled food, you can do that out here. I'll walk around the side here. Another bar back there, the Mojito Bar. And we'll take you down the side here towards the swim and sip. I don't want to walk on his newly raked sand there, so I'll try and stay where other people have walked. And back here is where you're going to find the FlowRider. So if you're hoping to do flow riding at the port, this is where you'll find it. So hope this quick walking tour of the cruise port here in Costa Maya gave you value. If it did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe here to Northern Viking Explorer. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, happy cruising.